Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In the name of Allah, the most merciful and the most beneficent. Assalamu alaikum and a very good morning to all my students. I hope you all are fine and I hope you are really enjoying your online classes. My dear students, by the end of this lesson, you will be able to learn about the keyboard. You will also learn about alphabet and number keys. Today we are going to do our unit number 6, that is more about keyboard and the mouse. Our today's topic is Introduction to the Keyboard and Alphabet and Number Keys. We will thoroughly read page number 55, 56 and 57. My dear students, gear up for your lesson and keep your pencil, eraser, sharpener, textbook and notebook of computer science with you. Take out your computer books and open page number 55. Have you opened? First of all, write today's day, date and today's task. Our unit number is 6, more about the keyboard and mouse. Introduction to the keyboard. The buttons on the keyboard are called keys. By using these keys, we can type on a computer. Students, as you have learned about keyboard, the keyboard is an input device which is used to type letters, poems, and many other things on the computer. When you type on the keyboard, the letters which you press on the keyboard appear on the screen of the monitor. Now turn to the next page, page number 56, and first of all write today's task. Have you written? A keyboard has different keys. They are number keys, alphabet keys, special keys, and in special keys there are backspace keys, delete keys, caps lock keys, spacebar key, enter key, shift keys, cursor keys. The arrow keys are called the cursor keys, and function keys. Function keys are starting from F1 and it goes till F12, which are used to perform different types of functions. And as you know that alphabet keys are used to type letters or poems. Number keys are used to type numbers. Spacebar key is the longest key on the keyboard. It is used to give space between letters or which type of character you will write. It helps us to give space between the words. And enter key is used to go to the next line. Now let's start from alphabet keys. There are 26 alphabet keys on a keyboard. The arrangement of keys on a keyboard is not alphabetical. Alphabetical means that it is not arranged in alphabetical order like A, B, C. The alphabet keys are given in jumbled form on the keyboard. The reason behind this can be traced back to the days when typewriters were used. Typewriter is a kind of a keyboard type thing which is used to type letters and many other things or documents you can make with the help of the typewriter. People used to type so fast that the keys would get jammed. On typewriters, people used to type so fast that the keys were got jammed. Jammed का मतलब होता है कि वो दोबारा वो सही तरह से work नहीं करती थी, jammed हो जाती थी. इसकी वजह से कीबोर्ड के ऊपर alphabetical order में नहीं है. The keys are in jumbled form on the keyboard. Therefore, to slow down the speed of typing, the keys were arranged in a different pattern on the keyboard. Number keys. There are two sets of number keys from 0 to 9 on the keyboard. You can lock one set of these number keys using the number lock key. As you know that on keyboard there are two set of number keys. One is on the top of the alphabet keys and the other is on the extreme right hand side of the keyboard. Students, let's learn more about alphabet keys. As I told you that a computer keyboard is an input device and it allows us to enter letter, number and other symbols into a computer. Using a computer to enter lots of data is called typing. Whatever you will type on the keyboard is appear on the screen of the monitor. A keyboard contains many mechanical switches or push buttons called keys. It means that आपके कीबोर्ड पे जो भी buttons हैं those are called keys. There are 26 alphabet keys on a keyboard. The standard keyboards typically contain 101 keys. It means 101 keys होती हैं एक किसी भी standard keyboard पे, including alphabets, numbers, symbols or functions. Let's learn about number keys. There are two sets of number keys from 0 to 9 on the keyboard. One set is found on the top of the alphabet keys and the other set is found on the extreme right hand side of the keyboard. Numeric keypads usually operate in two modes. When number lock is off, there is a key of number lock on the keyboard. When you turn it off, keys 8, 6, 2 and 4 act like arrow navigation keys like up, down, right and left. And 7, 9, 3 and 1 act like home, page up or page down and to end the page respectively. When number lock is on, digit keys produce the corresponding digit. It means जब आप number lock key को on करोगे तो एक yellow light turn on हो जाती है जिससे आपको पता चल जाता है कि number lock is on now and you can write any number with the help of those keys. Students, now turn to the next page, page number 57, and let's do activity zone. First of all, you will write today's task. Now let's start doing this activity. How many alphabet keys does a keyboard have? Yes, 26. Now you have to color the number keys pink. On the keyboard, I have told you that one set of number keys is on the top of alphabet keys and the other is on the extreme right hand side. So color those number keys pink. Have you colored? Now 3. How many sets of number keys does the keyboard have? Yes, two set of number keys. One is on the top of the alphabet keys and other is on the extreme right hand side. Fourth one, color any four special keys green. Special keys are enter key, shift key, caps lock key, cursor keys, backspace key, delete key. So now you have to color any four special keys green. I hope you have done. My dear students, your task to do is that you have to do part D and E given on page number 65. Students, now I'll tell you how to do your task. Open page number 65 and write today's day, date and task to do. In D part, you have to put a box around the set of alphabet keys in green. Alphabet keys are A, B, C. So what you have to do is that you have to put a green box around alphabet keys, number keys in blue and special keys in red. Then in E part you have to mark the keys you need to use to type the text given below. You have to type Amazing 8. So now you have to mark those keys which are used to type this text. I hope you have understood how to do this task. Make sure that you should have to do your task neatly. Students, I hope you have got at today's topic. Have a very nice day. Take care. Allah Hafiz.